now you're trying to make me look like I'm a liar? So you're trying to say I'm a liar? I'm a liar? Answer me, I'm a liar? You really shut it out. Sorry po, sorry. That's how you say sorry. If I say sorry to you like, sorry ate ha, sorry. Tanggap mo yun? You really shut it out. Ate, may pinag-aralan akong tao.
Liho ka, eh.
Ginanon mo ako, and I'm just returning the favor. Alam mo kung paano mo ako tinanong? Ha, sabi mo, ate, anong problema mo? And I said, oh my God, kuya, she's a liar. Oh my God, freaking liar. Liar! Anong problema ko? Anong problema ko? Ay, oh my God, I'm a liar? No, I'm a